Hello everybody, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk about power prayers. Bette's Box of Blessings sent a wonderful collection to help you with your prayer life. And as always, she sends some great books, CDs, cards, you name it. So today the box is dealing with the book of James. In James 15:16, the last part of the verse, it says, "The fervent, earnest prayer of a righteous man availeth much." That kind of means that a righteous man praying will produce results. So out of all the things that she sent this time, one of them is a magnet. And this magnet says, "I trust in God's unfailing love." Because the prayers, they work. This magnet goes on your refrigerator to remind you that an earnest person praying gets results. So, unfailing prayers, constantly being in prayer. The CD this time is Lee Nash. It's hymns, sacred hymns, and some of them are like Savior, Like a Shepherd Lead Us, Come Thy Fount of Every Blessing, one of my favorites. Blessed Redeemer, Be Still My Soul, and Song of Moses, The Power of the Cross, Lee Nash. As always, they send cards, lots of cards, and they're beautiful. Quite an array of cards and beautiful envelopes to go in them. And I thought I would just read you one of the cards. Sometimes life is hard to understand. There are challenges and obstacles that were never in our plans. But we have to trust that nothing is a surprise to God. He's there to walk with us each step, to hold our hands and guide us to the good things He has for our lives. And inside, it says, "I'm glad He has a plan for us, and that together we'll see His faithfulness in ways we can't even imagine." And they have a variety. I'm talking for friendship. Sometimes it's for comfort. Just thank you. Dayspring. Awesome cards. One thing that they've sent before is these pull-out sheets. These are prayer sheets. Now I really like these. These are called 100 pass-along promises from God's heart. These, you can just tear them out and send this. Lots of times I send these in my Etsy orders. On the back, it's just blank. You can write out a little note or something like that. And this one says, God is our strength when we are weary, our hope when we are discouraged, and our encourager when the stresses of life bring us down. It says, "I prayed for God to remind you of these truths today." And then it gives a little prayer from Psalms. "You, Lord, are all I have, and you give me all I need. My future is in your hands." Psalm 16:5. And at the very bottom, the lady that put this book together, Holly Girth, wrote, "God is ready and willing to bear your burdens so you can continue your journey." So these little pass-along sheets are excellent when you just want to share with somebody some little note. And then the last is a big book called Power Prayers to Grow Your Faith. Now this is a really nice journal. It gives you little daily readings and things, and then room for you to write, of course. Okay, so one of the readings here is Person of Distinction. "Lord, I know character can't be constructed in a moment. It must be built over a lifetime of making the right choices and taking the correct actions. Help me build my character with the building blocks of honesty, honor, helpfulness, and humility. I pray I will always be mindful of what builds my character and avoid those actions that tarnish it. May I succeed while maintaining my integrity." And that should be everyone's prayer, to live a life of integrity. So Bette's Box of Blessings, powerful prayers. That's what we should all be doing, praying for each other and lifting each other up. This book, Power Prayers to Grow Your Faith, I'm going to be giving it away at the gathering, which is March the 9th here in Wiggins, Mississippi. If you want more information, contact us. Thank you guys, and thank you, Bette's Box of Blessings.